Clodagh Cavanagh, Managing Director of Abbey Machinery. Abbey Machinery manufacture and distribute agricultural equipment, specifically diet feeding, slurry and muck handling equipment. We export to farmers across the world, including countries such as France, Iceland, Australia, New Zealand, Saudi Arabia. Here we're 5 minutes off, like I said, off the M7, so whether we're going north or south, we're on the motorway within less than 5 minutes. To Dublin Port, we are about 1 hour and 30 minutes. To the airports, like for our overseas customers coming in, we're ideally located. Shannon Airport is 40 minutes away, Dublin's probably 1 hour and 30 minutes, and also Cork Airport is 1 hour and 30 minutes. People often ask us when we were building a new factory, why Tipperary, why Nenagh? And it's our staff. It's the availability of the dedicated, educated staff that we have here that improves and drives our business forward. Tipperary offers that work-life balance that we all strive for. Here we're 10 minutes to the lake, with 10 minutes to golf, to the mountains behind me here. Like, we're very well located that you can finish up here, work at 5:30, you're home in 10 minutes and you're out and about doing what you need to do with your family 10-15 minutes later. That's key. Tipperary is an inviting community. It's a very safe, fun environment.